To ensure your agent handles calls the way your company needs, start by adding the right call reasons. From the menu, go to Call Reasons. Here you'll see two sections, inbound and outbound calls. Go to inbound to start adding your agent's call reasons. Click Add New Reason to define how your agent should detect and handle incoming calls. You can browse the existing call reasons by scrolling or narrow them down using filters based on your industry. You can also search by name, description, or category. Select one or multiple call reasons, then click Add to include them in your agent's setup. If you can't find a call reason that fits your use case, you can create a custom one yourself. To do this, click Generate Call Reason. Here you must enter the name for your new call reason. Provide a detailed description of the call reason. Add up to 5 questions you want your agent to ask the caller. Click Add a Question to include another inquiry in the call flow if needed. Once everything is filled in, click Preview Call Reason. Your custom call reason will be generated in a few seconds. You can review the generated prompts and check whether they match your requirements. If everything looks good, click Create Call Reason. Your custom call reason will then appear in your call reasons list and is ready to be used by your agent. You have successfully configured inbound call reasons to customize how your agent detects and manages calls.